guys, welcome to Cinematic Tendency and welcome to another unboxing video. And in today's video I'm gonna do something different. So yeah, I am not gonna be unboxing any toy, any statue, any 1/6 scale figure, any movie poster, or any Jean-Claude Van Damme autograph, or any Genki Dama energy drink like I have done before. I'm not gonna be showing you any sensu beans, okay? Instead, like I said, I am gonna show you something different. So today I am gonna be showing you some Muay Thai or kick boxing thigh protectors. Obviously these are gonna go on your legs, and these are not necessarily for Muay Thai or kickboxing, but for any martial arts that requires kicking. And yeah, I bought them for myself, or I bought them for my son Jean-Claude, who is about to be 7, but obviously I am the one who is gonna wear them. So in today's video I'm gonna show you the product, and then we're gonna go outside. I'm gonna put them on, and I am gonna let my son Jean-Claude kick me. So are you ready? Here we go. I got them on eBay, and I was expecting them to be in a box, but they were shipped this way, the way you see it here. So I am assuming that shipping it this way was gonna be cheaper for the seller, and but I got no complaints, and because after all the shipping was free. So I already removed the main cover, so now let's continue. Okay, so here we have it already out of the bag. And by the way, these thigh protectors are Roar. I never heard about this brand. However, the price was just right. Okay, so you're gonna see it has some loops here where the straps are gonna go. It has some breathing material here. Okay, so I got 3 of those. And it's not leather, but I think it's more like synthetic. All right, you got some targets here. Let's continue looking over here. Another target. All right, and just like a Roar thank you note. And yeah, let's see the other side. All right, I want to flip it over. And this is wicked soft right here. It's well padded. Okay. I don't know what's underneath, but as you can tell in this video, it's soft, and you need it to be soft, especially if an adult is going to be the one kicking. Like I said, I bought it for my son Jean-Claude, so he's about to be 7. So he kicks pretty good for his age, but I wanted to buy something that I can wear, through the years as he grows and kicks harder. But so far so good. All right, so this is also padded right here. This is gonna go around the leg. This is very, very soft. You got the Velcro, and you got a strap. So you got one strap right here, one strap right here on the top. All right, and I was looking for the materials, like even on those tags, but I didn't see anything. But probably you can check out if you want to know the actual material, probably you can check it out on their website. Roar, I think the website is right here. The website, let's see, yeah, right there. I know, you can pause it and you can see it here.